So I'll show you the dash camera I've got. It was under $10, and I think it does a good enough job so that, you know, if somebody pulls out in front of you or something like that, you've got a recording of it, and maybe that'll be all you need. You can see where it mounts. Right, this is what it looks like from the inside. Now, this camera's not going to do you any good if you don't keep it plugged in. So you just plug it into your 12-volt outlet, and there you go. This works day and night, and if you've got a video that you want to save, you just push that orange button to save the video. And I should have had this in there yesterday. There was a lady pulled out in front of me that was really close, and you know, if it been an accident, I would have had proof right here with this camera. And I'll show you the videos that I do have saved and the quality of the video. So as it turns out, the videos that I thought I had saved on this camera, I can't find anywhere. It saves the ones that are most recent. So if you have something happen and you need that footage off the camera, unplug it from your vehicle and upload your pictures immediately to your computer, and you'll have to save those. And the video quality, like I said, is not great. Under $10. Might be better off just to buy a little bit better dash cam. But I'll show you the quality of the videos on there. That's what I think of it.